When it comes to duct cleaning scams, there's a lot of them. There are a lot of companies out there who really don't care about the client's needs but so much their own.
Social media is a hotbed for scams going on all over the place, and they're deals that are just too good to be true.
They have a tendency to say things such as the first 5 commenters will be receiving a special because we'll be in the area.
You see a whole house duct cleaning for $200, for $199. If you need a coupon to clean ductwork, that's a red flag right there.
They'll come into your home to clean your ductwork, and the next thing you know, you're paying for a $2,800 mold remediation.
If you ever have a concern about who you should really be hiring, you should be going to nadca.com in the member directory search box and plug in your zip code, and you should see a list of qualified people that you could choose to come out and give you an estimate on cleaning your ductwork.